Did you know your SLE toolbox comes with interior LED lighting? Of course you did. That's why you're watching this video. Let's get some power to those lights. Open your box and look for these two Phillips screws. Remove them and then pry up on the module to get it out. On the back of the module, pull out the battery pod like so, releasing the clip on the right side. You can leave it plugged in. Now follow the markings and insert your 8 AA batteries. Once in, the LED should power on. If they don't, double-check your battery fitment and seating. Reinstall the battery pod into the module like this, then remount the module. Now it's time to test the plunger. Press it down. Do the lights go out? Perfect. Finally, secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Admire your handiwork.